Go, boom, boom, boom.
This brave and young daredevil will streak across the sunken sky, 40 feet in the air, 65 miles an hour, experiencing the keyboard of 7. The exact same bullet set by Apollo 16 already retreated into Earth's atmosphere.
Bull.
Right now, Leon is running a three-flight checklist, making critical last-minute calculations and adjustments. What do I know? It looks like he thinks about the race instead.
I'm scared. I'm legitimately scared.
Orlando, Florida, are you ready to witness an explosive exploit of breathtaking Brian Reed?
No?
Yes! Don't do it. We're gonna die.
You're gonna die.
Oh, come on, I know you can do better than that. I said, are you ready to see something
You in there?
Yeah.
Well, do not blink, because this
I'm not. I gotta record it.
and one fleecy, hurry, flash of glory. Juliana, are you ready? Team
No.
Team Blue, everyone come down with me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh! Holy! Oh crap! Oh!
I almost died.
Oh! Snap! Oh my god! That was crazy. Say hi to YouTube.